This video is going to show you how to pair your Xbox One controller to your computer. First things first, you go down to the left hand corner where there's a little arrow. Click the arrow and go to Bluetooth. Go add Bluetooth device. If you don't have the option for Bluetooth on your laptop, it might need a Bluetooth adapter because it doesn't have the Bluetooth hardware. I'll leave a link in the description to show you where you can actually get one of those devices to plug into your computer so you can actually use your controllers. Next, you get your controller, and on the back it will show this part here, which is to sync it. Hold that in, wait until it starts flashing. Now this one automatically will come up down the bottom here to connect it, but you can also go to add device and that will search and find it. And it's through add Bluetooth, and you'll find your wireless controller here, or obviously down the bottom here. Well, hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.